My name is Marcio Gomes. My student ID is D12123691. I will talk about my software engineer CA. My proposed system is a cinema ticket booking online. I used IBM Rational Software Architect to model the structure of this application. We're going to start with the user case diagram, which shows the interaction between the actors and my system. Those actors are visitor, member, and admin. The visitor can check by cinema, check by movie, or check by time. Includes the show movies user case. Visitor as well can do a registration. Once registered, it becomes a member, and the member actor, it can log in. Using the login, it can book a ticket, can cancel a ticket, view bought a ticket, or update member information. The admin actor can use the admin login to insert movie data, delete movie data, and update movie data. The next step will be the class diagram. The class diagram describes the structure of system by showing the system classes, their attributes, operations, and relationship among those objects. In this one, we can see all those class objects: movie, admin, visitor, member, book ticket, and make payment. The attributes, for example, in the movie class object is movie name with the data type string, movie show with data type date, and venue with data type string. Those methods is here below with add movie records, update movie records, delete movie records, and show movies. The relationship between those class objects is represented by this line. For example, the object visitor has a relationship with the object movie, and the cardinality is defined here. In this case, many to many. What means that many visitors can view many movies. The same happens for admin and the movie. In that case, one admin can update many movies. And so when we have as well those others class objects, members with relationship with the book ticket and make payment. In the member class object, we see the attributes here: ID with data type integer, name with data type string, phone integer, and address string. The methods that can be invoked is login and logout. The next one will be the sequence diagram, where I model the interaction between the objects with the sequence of methods invocation. So in the top here, we have all the class objects: admin, member, visitor, movie, book a ticket, and make payment. The first method invocation I defined was admin with the movie class object. It can invoke add movie records, and that will return a status. The same for update movie records and and return status, or delete movie records, that will return void. If we come back here to our class diagram, we can see that the admin is here. We can see the relationship association, and then here we can see the methods that admin can invoke: add movie records, update movie records, and delete movie records. So the next one, it will be visitor. Visitor it can see the movies. So it will invoke the method show movies, and that will return all movies available in that cinema. This is visitor will invoke the methods in the move class diagram. Again, if we come back to the class diagram, we can see here the visitor and the relationship with the move class diagram, and we can see the show moves methods that will be invoked. The next one is the visitor then can get register, and is inside the same class object. So again, we go for our class diagram, and we can see here that the visitor has a method get register inside. So same for the member that can log in, and if we come back to our class diagram, we see member, we have a login, logout. The member as well can see the movies available. So that's we invoke a member, and the movie class object invoke the method show movies, and that will return all movies. So we can see here the member that can view many movies. So, and then we have here the method show movies. The member as well can book a ticket, and that's his member invoke this method related to the book ticket class object. So now we can note here that we have a 13, 13.1, 13.2, and 14. That means that before we return the ticket with seat number, it first needs to make the payment and confirm that payment. So that sequence of method invocation will be from member to the booked ticket class object to booked ticket, then from the booked ticket to the make payment of class object to make payment. That will return the payment and will return the ticket with seat number. Same idea for cancellation of tickets. We have the member invoke the method with the booked ticket class object, and that book ticket invoke another method to return the money on cancellation with the make payment class object. That will return confirmation and then the confirmation of cancelled tickets. And finally, the member with that can be log out. I hope you enjoy. Thanks very much.